Operation Gate 1. FC Goa will be playing against Cristiano Ronaldo's Al Nassr in the AFC Champions League 2 in Goa, India. Ashish Chanchlani put a story with the matchday tickets. This means he's coming to Goa to watch the match. You will have to reach early to be on the safe side, so you don't miss him if he comes early. Once you reach the stadium, wait outside gate number 1 with a board with his name. Now you will wonder why gate 1 and not any other gate. Gate 1, entry for players, officials and VIPs. Ashish Chanchlani, being a famous YouTuber, I think he will have VIP access. You must take the risk. And when he enters the stadium through gate 1, he will see you with the board with his name and you'll meet him. Al Nassr being one of the biggest football clubs in the world, there will be a lot of security, especially at gate number 1. Let the game begin. Proceed to Dock 3. A yellow vessel awaits you. Fuel capacity 15 hours non-stop. Noise dampened twin engine. Keep heading 69 south side until the island disappears from radar. Navigational route. Inside the control panel, you will find a waterproof map marked with safe zones and surveillance zones. A manual compass. Trust it over GPS if signal drops. Survival equipment. Tactical oxygen tank 45 minutes. If you enter the water, stay submerged. They don't scan below 20 feet. Food and hydration. 3-liter purified water reserve. Electrolyte hydration pack. Vacuum sealed protein pack. Glucose tablet. If intercepted, you are a lost fisherman. Navigational error. If escape required, cut engine, deploy smoke flares, drift with tide, move towards ref cover. And one more thing before you leave. I want to remind you about Rule 2006. You can't reveal your uniform to the public. So all the best with your disguise. Agent, you are now authorized to leave the island.
I left at 3 p.m. without the match day tickets. Traveled for around 2 hours without knowing if I will meet him or no. I reached at 5:30 and my anxiety was at an all-time high because there were so many people and all of them were looking at me because of the mask. I'm outside gate number 1. I reached after 2 hours going through the Pororim roads, the potholes and the amount of dust in my eyes. The players arrived and the fans went wild. Team just arrived 5 minutes back. Crazy, there's so many people. 2 minutes back it was crowded over here. All the players rushed in to get the good seat. I made and got the board from home and now I'm going to ride Ashish Chanchlani on that. I got my marker with me. I'm write it over here. Chanchlani put a story at 3 o'clock at Starbucks. I guess that's the Mumbai airport. It was written Goa calling something. And I assume he'll reach here around 4 and I think he'll be coming anytime now at the stadium. So I better take the board and I go and wait near gate number 1. All of a sudden it became dark and it started raining. It's become so dark, I think it's going to rain. I'm waiting outside gate number 1 and it's currently raining. Meanwhile, I wrote Ashish Chanchlani on the board. I still got the board with me though, but it's spoiled because it got wet in the rain. While waiting in the shade for the rain to stop, 7 cars had entered. I was hoping it was not Ashish. Otherwise, the only option was to wait for more 2 hours and meet him after the game. There was a banner outside gate 1 and I didn't want to miss him. So I ran in the rain under the banner. He was telling me that not to wait here or you'll get wet. I explained him that Ashish Chanchlani will be coming for the match and I don't want to miss him. ये देखो आ रहे अभी हाँ गेम के लिए आ रहे हैं टाइम है तो अभी आएगा हाँ I'm waiting right now near gate now. I'm getting full wet. My phone also is getting wet. The banner didn't help at all. I got fully wet and the board also. Fully wet. My hoodie, bag and my pants also. My board also got wet. Don't judge the handwriting. And man started pulling my board. I thought I was not allowed to get something like this. But it was because of the rain. He wanted to cover himself from the rain and all. I had to go back in the shade because of the phone. Right now I can't wait outside gate 1 because my phone got wet and the touch is not working, so I came back. I hope the rain stops or the only option is to wait after the game and see if it's raining that time or no. Ashish could be in this car, you never know. I put the board facing the gate so if he sees it, he'll come to meet me. The sky is a bit clear now. Stop raining, so I'm going to gate number 1. So many people looking at me because of this mask. I wanted to get a paper to take his autograph but I forgot it. So now I think I might take the signature on this board only which I want. Thank God it stopped raining. One side of the gate because that side the polices are there and I don't think you're allowed to wait near the gate there. There's so many people staring at me because of mask, but they don't know what I'm up to. They might see it on YouTube if this video goes viral. Oh, one day this video goes viral. If Ashish Asani comes now, I'll 100% meet him because I'm right at the front of the gate, gate number 1. And Vana is there for the game. So yeah. I told this guy to tell me if he comes so I don't miss him. Some cars already went in while I was waiting in the shade opposite the gate, so I don't know if he's already gone in, but let's be positive. The game will start in another 1 hour and the cars are increasing to enter through gate number 1. There's a lot of security and many of them are coming to question me because of my mask. They think you understand now? Hope it does not rain again. If it rains again, I have to go there. I was standing there near the bank in the shade. So hope it does not rain again. Crowd noise has started coming from inside the stadium. I think the players are come to train. I don't know if this is a coincidence, but this police officer is standing in front of me for a while, and honestly, it feels like he thinks I'm about to do something suspicious. If I don't meet him now, I have to wait for another 2 hours and wait after the game here, same outside. Now, the police was just asking me why I'm wearing a mask. My back is paining. I'm standing for almost 2 hours now. My boot is getting spoiled because it got wet in the rain. And after 2 hours, I was just recording the people enter. And a group of foreigners were going in, and behind them was Ashish Chanchlani. For a second, I thought he was a foreigner too. I called him out 3 times loud. All the people started looking at me, but Ashish was in a hurry, so he just waved his hands and went in. Ashish! 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 All that traveling, standing for 2 hours, getting wet in the rain, energy, time was for nothing. Psych! God had different plans. Ashish was entering from the car entry, so they stopped him. I walked towards him and asked him for a photo. Ashish, one photo. Ashish, one photo. This is the photo. I love live photos, man. Just look at this. So I just met him. He was going fast. I don't know. I just started screaming, Ashish. Everyone started looking at me, bro. Finally, I can go home and not wait for more 2 hours. I could not believe also. He looks like a foreigner, bro. First Techno gamer. Now Ashish. Who's next? All that traveling in the hot sun, dust, pothole road, standing for 2 hours, anxiety, getting wet in the rain, all was worth it at the end. To all the dream chasers out there, if you want anything in life, you have to take the risk. Even if I did not meet him, I would be okay because I tried my best and I'm not going to regret it my whole life for not trying.